We need to have less individual errors because they're costing us too much in terms of goals against. We need to have a collective mindset in terms of a concentration and focus on what we're trying to do, and not let goals affect us as much as they do. I felt the second goal certainly affected how we went and approached the rest of the game. In terms of fight and aggression and everything else that was talked about after the game.
Danny Smith, Leicester City coach, speaks here towards the next match of the Premier League. He was to say that Leicester City has a long journey to go. It's the only thing that they want this season is to have the incredible performance, is to have the wonderful performance. As in fact, Leicester City is just one among the good team. It's one among the team which has experienced and high talented players. As now they have been striving to find their betterness. Now they have been striving to find their sharpness. The only thing that they just want is to make sure that they win these matches so as to be in a good standing, as they just not to be in a relegation zone. As Leicester City has the quality, and it's one among of the club which is just using a huge man to serve the players. It's one among of the club which uses a huge money to register the players. Their plan is to make sure that they just remain in the England Premier League throughout the seasons. They just remain in the Premier League in all over the seasons. Of course, Dan Smith admits here now the current situation of the players, as the players are fit and they are physically and mentally fit, ready to play the next matches of the competition. The only thing that they just want is to win those matches so as to be in a good position. Leicester City will be remembered as just one among of the young star which won Premier League in 2013. It was just one among of the incredible performance, and it was a generation of the players like N'Golo Kante, Vardy, of course, was there. Those a few players who won the Premier League with a young club like this one. Of course, Leicester City is just a club which has a good management.